Remove the original motorcycle exhaust. Remove the decorative components. Replace the sleeve on the exhaust of the original motorcycle installed on Keybear exhaust.
The fixed position of the clamp towards the body of the vehicle. Exhaust tailpipe and body maintain a level. Thread tutorial. Attention, avoid high temperature areas. Reserve a space of about 10 cm for the swinging of the line segment here. Prevent vehicle shaking from causing line segment breakage. The body wiring requires the use of hard iron wire. Thread out from the position on the front of the car as shown in the picture. Tie the switch wire and iron wire together. Use wire to pull the wire into the body. Black wire connected to black wire. Red wire connected to red wire. The light is on to turn on. Turn off when the light is dim. Install the switch in the appropriate position on the handle. Install the seat cushion and decorative parts of the original car.